How would I say something like 3 rooms in Irish? I'll give you multiple choice and only one of these is correct. Would it be trí seomra, trí hiomra, trí seomraí, or trí hiomraí? The answer is going to be trí hiomra. Now, why is it like that? Well, let's start from the beginning. Seomra is the base word itself. We always need that before anything else. If I look up room, in an English Irish dictionary, I'm not going to have a H in there or an ifad at the end. It's just going to be seomra. So that's our default. But then why do we have a reason to change it to hiomra? Well, firstly, why doesn't it go to seomraí? It's plural in English, 3 rooms. But in Irish, normally when we're counting, in other words, when we have a noun straight after a number, we're going to keep the noun in singular. So I might say 5 things in English, plural. In Irish, it's going to be cúig rud instead of ruddy. So I keep the noun in singular. When I'm counting people, that'll be a bit different. But for counting things, it'll stay in the singular. So therefore, it should be trí seomra, surely. But I also need to remember what I call the 2 to 6, 7 till 10 rule. What does this mean? It means that all nouns that are going after a number from 2 until 6 will take a H if they can, and 7 to 10 will take an uru. Ones beginning with B, such as bod, meaning boat, are always good examples since they can take both gávod, trívod, ceravod, all the way up to 6, and then it's going to be seacht mod, ocht mod, and so on. And this applies for 95%, if not more, of all nouns in Irish. So in this case, 2 until 6, it's going to take a H. Small little caveat with this, in textbooks and other teachers might list it as a 1 till 6, 7 to 10 rule. Technically, after ain, it will take 1. So if I'm saying, for example, ain hiomra awan, it will take a H. But normally in everyday spoken Irish, we just say seomra awan. We don't bother with the ain. That's why, for simplicity, I call it 2 till 6 instead of 1 till 6. So, a reminder, we need to keep seomra in singular, so we're not going to add the ifada for the plural, because we're counting here, it's after a number, and we need to add the H because it's in between 2 and 6. Therefore, 3 rooms is going to be trí hiomra.